using bold, italic and underline feature in a Word document. Open a Word document, and type a word, or a sentence. To make a text or sentence bold, select the word, or sentence as shown. Then click on B letter in the Home tab section. To unbold, click on B letter again. To make a text or sentence in italic, select and click on I button as shown. To remove italic, select I button again. Now, to underline a word or sentence, select U button, as shown. To remove underline, just click on U button again. You may set a text in bold, italic and underline at the same time as shown.